In this Illustrator tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the stroke or remove the fill here in Illustrator. So if we have any shape or object out here that has a stroke and a fill, the fill fills the inside of the shape, the stroke is the outline of the shape. Now, you can remove either or of these or both. A couple of different ways to do that. First, on the left-hand side, you'll see at the bottom of your Tools panel, a fill and a stroke section. We can select which one we want to interact with. So if we click on the stroke, you'll see it pop to the front, or the fill. If we want to remove it, we can just click on this none. It's also the slash key on your keyboard. But whichever one we have in front is the one we have selected, and we click none, and it will remove it. So there is no more fill, no fill color, no fill anything. It's actually going to be see-through. In fact, I'll show you it's see-through when we drag this half on our artboard and half off, just so you know it's not just white in there. So this is actually see-through. Now we could add a color back in. We could do the reverse. We could click on the stroke and remove the stroke. So now there's no more stroke. There's only a fill to this shape. Now this is one spot you can do it over here. The other spot that you can do it, and it looks like our stroke added back in. Here, we'll undo so I can actually see the stroke. It added in as 1 point again, so when you actually remove the stroke and you add it back in, it just defaults back to 1 point. I had it at 25. So another spot that you can do this and where you can see the actual width of your stroke is over here in the Appearance panel in the Properties section. So we can do the same thing. We can click on our fill, and there's going to be a slash right here. So we could remove the fill just like that. I'm going to press Command or Control Z to undo. Same thing with the stroke. We could do a couple things. We could say, you know what, I want a 0 point stroke. That's going to remove the stroke. Or we can do the same thing we did with the fill, where we click on it and select the none swatch, just like that. Gets rid of that stroke. So there are multiple ways here that you can remove the fill and the stroke. It kind of depends on which side of the screen I'm on, which one I want to actually use. That's also how you can change the color. It's just by double clicking on one of these and then maybe changing the color if you want to change the color, maybe to black or something. So anyway, that's how you can remove fill and stroke here in Illustrator.